This is probably the saddest, most mangled up ceiling fan that I've ever seen on this channel. This is I think it's a 2002 maybe. Hampton Bay 42-inch Littleton. It's got 4 blades, and as you can see, they are all mangled up and just bad. I mean, it kind of makes sense because it's an old ceiling fan. So yeah, it's in the laundry. This is at my brother's aunt's house, and this is currently in the laundry room. It's kind of small. It's quite a small fan, but it's not the smallest fan. I've seen smaller ceiling fans before, like a 30-inch something. It's a white and brass color with I guess I forgot it was called, like I forgot the blade color. Like, it's like a teak color. I'm not sure exactly, but yeah, it's a mystery. I never seen this happen to a fan before, and to be honest, this fan needs to be replaced. So I'm not gonna do a left side or right side on it, but I'll give you guys a close-up of it. There's no light kit, unfortunately, on it. There's no like shade on it. It's only got 2 pull chains, but I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, that blade is right there. Is just terrible. There's that one. These 2 don't really look that bad. And also, it's not really flushed mounted to the ceiling. So, yeah. And for now, I guess I'll just turn it on, but not for very long. You guys can see it. I think it's currently set to low. Okay. So it didn't wobble, but I turned it off because if I would have left it on, it would have wobbled. And it would have gotten all shaky. We'll come over here to this ceiling fan in the bathroom. This one doesn't have any mangled up blades. I think it's a 1992 Murray Face, I think something, I'm not sure exactly. And it runs, I remember it used to have a very significant wobble to it. I think it's currently on medium. I think if I can turn it up, hold on. Okay, it is not. So the pull chains on this fan are stuck, but yeah. And these fans over here, living room fans, these ones, they're in balance. They're not actually in balance. You can kind of see here the light bulb is shaking. Yeah, it's happening on both of them. I think these are both on high, so let me just go ahead and turn these down a little bit, see if I can. I don't think it worked. Still spinning. So yeah. So that's the rant with the ceiling fans. So it's unfortunate to this ceiling fan to have. I mean, the blade is horrible, and just not really that much to say on it. I think I'll just let it run for like a brief like 10 seconds, and then I'll end the video. You can see it starting up. I think it's set to medium. I don't know what speed it's set to, but it doesn't really look that bad. You can kind of see it's not really flush mounted to the ceiling. And it is actually starting to wobble a little bit. Overall, it's not that bad. I actually don't know. If I were to get close to it, you guys can probably see it wobbling. It's making some ticking noises. But as of now, it's not falling or anything, so yeah. But this fan will definitely need to be replaced. So yeah. But as you guys can see, these fans, which are on high currently, they're not falling down, just that the light bulbs are shaking on them. But, and then it's also due to so that's basically it for these fans. So thanks for watching. Peace.